Want a production-ready Kubernetes cluster on your laptop in under 10 minutes? No cloud costs or VM headaches? Most developers waste weeks on this. You won't. Today, I'll show you step by step. Enable Kubernetes in Docker Desktop. Configure your cluster. Deploy an app. And fix common issues. Perfect for testing, dev, or interviews. Hey CentLinux viewers, welcome back to your Linux and DevOps hub. Hit play, fire up Docker, and let's build it now. Subscribe for more and like if you're leveling up. Subscribe for more useful Kubernetes tips and tutorials.